Ankker, we've come out with a brand new generation of external batteries, the Astro Slim 2. It's light, easy to use, sturdy, reliable, and usable at almost any time. What's more, it doesn't require you to adapt or make changes. The biggest breakthrough offered by the Slim 2 is the amazing level of convenience it brings to your life. The Slim 2 has a comprehensive outer shell design, squeezing everything into the size of an external battery. We took out a lot of control buttons, so that all you have to do is plug or unplug your cable to activate the status LEDs on the battery's front. Not only does this make operation a lot more convenient, it also adds a touch of elegance to your carry-alongs. The Ankker Slim 2 has a battery capacity of 4,500 mAh and is compatible with all sorts of devices.